Hello everyone, welcome to Kabir Harsh Academy. Today we will be talking about modern Indian history. It will be the introduction part of modern Indian history. So let's get started. देखिए मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री जो है divided into five parts. First part is pre 1857. The time period is from 1600 AD to 1857. Second part post 1857. This is from 1858 to 1885. Third part moderates 1885 to 1905. Extremist 1905 to 1917. And last but not the least is Gandhian era 1917 to 1947. So in pre 1857 we will be talking about the coming up of Europeans, which is from 1600 AD. Then we will be talking about the expansion of Europeans, how they expanded in India, how they did trade in India. After that, it will be revolt of 1857. Then the second part is post 1857. इसमें 1858 Government of India Act 1858 we will be talking about. It comes up to 1885. This is the formation of Indian National Congress. देन मॉडरेट्स, इनको हम लोग नरम दल भी कहते थे. These are the Congress leaders which was formed during the Indian National Congress. The time period is from 1885 to 1905. Then comes extremist Garam Dal, 1905 partition of Bengal till 1917. And in the last is Gandhian era. Gandhi ji came to India in 1915. And politically he started his political career from 1917 till 1947, which brings to the freedom of India. Now if you want to talk about modern Indian history, अगर आपको तैयारी करनी है उसके लिए बेसिक्स है कि आपको टाइम पीरियड पता होना चाहिए. टाइम पीरियड के साथ फिर आपको फैक्ट्स पता होने चाहिए. दैट इंक्लूड्स नेम्स, dates, and what happened during that time. ये सब चीजें अगर आपको पता होंगी, आपको ये थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, याद रखना पड़ेगा. दैट इज फॉर योर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स कि आपको किस तरह से तैयारी करनी है और आपको क्या क्या पढ़ना है. दैट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो वी विल बी टॉकिंग in the further sessions. Till then, thank you.